Hello guys, today we learn about HTML. So let's get started. So what is HTML? Let's start from the first. HTML is like a line of code. It will help you if you have a browser, for example Firebase, Safari, Chrome. So the file of the HTML will come and it will translate to your browser and things will come up from it. And also, for example, this code will go to the translated by the browser and goes like this, like just a hello world. So it is like general topics. Like in the 90s it was very hot topic, like everybody was doing HTML. So as the internet is started, HTML means hypertext markup language. So markup language history is back in the times, the writers had some scripts in order to show like bookmakers where to make italics, where to make like bold, where to make title H1, H2, like with the symbols. So they got this idea for HTML when they are calling this. So let's watch this HTML cheat sheet. It is given by the Stanford University. So I will share all the links down below so you can also download and learn. So this is the basics how the HTML will show up. HTML, basic HTMLs look like this. For example, this means like how to make a line, like a border for the HTML. So the HTML element will appear inside this. So yeah, and also they have attributes like what kind of size it should be. It will open like this and close like this. And this is the starting tag, this is the ending tag. Some tags, some HTML elements will not like close. It called like self-closing tags. So let's go ahead and see what we can do. For example, in other books we have a different options. For example, choose HTML one. So in the Shellcomb's book, you can see it is a plain HTML. There is no CSS, just HTML. So let's start with start coding. The best one to learn code is the practicing. So let's start coding. For example, we have H1. If it is like CodePen, it is called CodePen. So if you go ahead and open, for example, like this, so it will open all your projects. So you just will go ahead here and start coding. Yeah, let's go start coding here, like H1, and you will press tab. So hello, as you can see, your first code has appeared here. So this is the H1. We have a H2, until the H6. Yeah, you can see the difference. They have like by the size. Yeah, can you see like this one is smaller and H1 is bigger. So let's go ahead and learn about like headings. As you can see, it's still 6. So it will you will say just like this and it will appear. Yeah. So also we have, yeah, and also in order to learn HTML, the best one is W3 School. I will also share the link. Yeah, they have like different explanation of it, what kind of it, and also you can try yourself how you can, like, for example, you wanna add hello world and run it. It will change. As you can see, you can code it also here by learning at the same time. So also we have a great documentation. So it is a dev.io, so you can learn all the programming inside. So we need just HTML. So 100 elements, 135 elements right here. You don't have to learn all of them, because you will just use the most important and popular ones. You don't have to learn, for example, if you want to speak English, you don't have to learn all the English words. You can just learn basics and make a lot of stuff here. So this one I want to show you all like old YouTube how it look like. So let's just put like this one, and let's go ahead and talk about professors. So computer science professors, like their own blog is a plain HTML. They don't use CSS, like they don't do like directions, color, just links, just HTML. So go ahead and let's make this kind of website. So we will do it together. Let's talk about other, like say like professors use like this, like yeah. So this is let's talk about like when you practice it will be more easier to understand. So let's go ahead and make this website. So let's go. First of all, we need a h1 as a name. H1 tab, you write your name. So, and then you will start P. For emphasize, you can just like this. So student. I just want to say like MDIST. So MDIST, let's make it give a link to him. So we will give a link as they can like linkable, and they can go to other page, like you will do just and tab. So, and inside there we can give a website, for example google.com, and we just crop it, put it right here, so it will be appear like this. So if you click this, it will take you to, let's do like this, yeah, you can see it will go to google.com. I just open like LinkedIn, and it's like to make it easy in CodePen. So let's go ahead and make other ones too. So let's make it. I will share the code in this like down below, so don't worry. You can also check out and play with them. So next one we are planning to do, it's just a paragraph, like P per paragraph. You can just write anything you want in order to like get appeared in the. So I am just copy pasting is good. Don't waste time to just typing it. So what else we need? We need this. So as I told in the first, just this will give you the line we want to have, like TTC, like we got a line. So h3 so let's make it like this one. I have a YouTube channel, so let's write this h3 YouTube channel. So, and we will give this kind of list to show them and make it more professional. So coding and podcast. So as you can see, we have to add this one. So in order to add this, we can do like this. You will see what will happen. We will use image. So the source, I will get it from the internet. So as you can see, it is like upside down. We want to have in the same row, so let's make it like this. In order to make it, we have to learn about tables, like table. So and put some table row and table data. So this is how the looks of the table. So we can make it like take this and put it inside there. Inside here. Oops, something went wrong. What we just did wrong? Let me check. Oh, and make it another one like this. TD and put our right there. So as you can see, it's getting the same. And let's go ahead to some more and make it more attractive. Not attractive, it's not attractive, it's ugly. Just HTML we're learning. We should start it with like simple one and get more professional then. So let's put some line here to separate them. So and go ahead and make another H1, H3. So work experience. So and then put the table like this. Do you remember how? Table row, table data. So 20, 17, 20, 21. And also we need another. Oh, university. Yes, it is like, let's do it again. Table. Inside the table, you will press table row. Inside the table row, table data. Let's write 2019. So another table data, and write startup. Yep. So let's go ahead, make let's make it easier to all. You don't like text all of them, you can just make it like copy them. Right, H3 skills, and we will put our table and just and put our right here. So you guys all can see it worked. So I will complete all of them. So as you all can see, it will become the same. So let's recap what we learned. We learned how we can build simple HTML website using HTML, just HTML, don't use it, not have to. So we just upload the table in order to make it to stay here, and this one stay here. So image tag for image, it's look like this. So h1 we understand it, head 1, paragraph we understand this was for emphasizing this. So href will give a link. For example, if you put like this, it will open to the Google. So yeah, so as I said, it is how the HTML looks like. So go ahead and learn yourself, make a practice, read about them. I will share all the links down in the description so you can check it. And also don't forget to share this, like it, comment with your friends who are interested in coding, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for subscribers. I already have like a lot of subscribers and views, so thank you.